Hi, I'm Paul Badham, Associate Director at Harris & Clarke Chartered Surveyors. In this video, we'll be talking about Reinforced Autoclaved Aerated Concrete, RAAC, which buildings are affected and what can be done if RAAC is found. RAAC is a lightweight form of reinforced concrete which is formed into panels or planks. It is commonly used in flat roof construction, but also in walls and floors from the 1950s up to the mid-1990s. However, some later examples have been found. Whilst it has been used in many different building types, it was commonly used in public buildings such as schools, hospitals, sports halls and court buildings. This may also include extensions to much earlier buildings. Its use in residential buildings is not common, but some examples do exist. Please see our other videos for information on why RAAC might be a problem. However, there has been much media attention to RAAC as there is a risk that the panels can fail and collapse. No, this isn't always the case. In some circumstances, there may be little or no risk in retaining the RAAC, provided a regular scheme of inspections are implemented. However, where RAAC is found to be deficient or structurally inadequate, repairs may still be possible. Where there is insufficient reinforcement at the plank's bearings and the planks are in good condition, it may be possible to provide additional edge support, for example. These repairs may be at a lower cost or with a reduced level of disruption, enabling the building to be brought back into use. However, if the reinforcement has become compromised due to corrosion or long-term water ingress, and there is an elevated risk of failure, it is probable that more significant works will be required. This may include some demolition and reconstruction works. Unless the building was constructed or extended during the period RAAC was commonly used, there is a lower risk of RAAC being present. If you don't have sufficient information about a building's construction, we would recommend that in the first instance, a visual inspection of the building is made. Please see our other videos if you are unsure on how to identify RAAC. If, however, you are not confident in undertaking such assessment, we would always recommend you would ask a suitably qualified and experienced structural engineer or chartered building surveyor. A visual inspection may not, however, be enough if the structure has been concealed by finishes. Your engineer or surveyor will be able to let you know if additional investigation is necessary. If more intrusive inspections are needed, care may be needed as this could disturb other materials which may be harmful, and this could include materials such as asbestos. If you have identified RAAC, you should seek assistance from a suitably qualified building surveyor or structural engineer with relevant experience. A detailed assessment should then be made to assess its condition and the likelihood of failure. Sometimes specialist testing may also be required. This assessment will then consider if remedial works are needed and the extent of those works. If you notice cracks, sagging, or other damage to panels within the building, we recommend that you seek assistance urgently. At Harris & Clarke, we have a team of qualified building surveyors who can help. They can be contacted on 02381 550051 and look forward to speaking with you soon.